And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with you and we throw it. I don't want that no for real. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. I ain't no little bad, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. What's up, Ray Babe? So y'all, new day, new vlog. I look a freaking mess, y'all. Me and my ex are about to go get some chop right now.
Hey, you better tighten up.
Wait.
Yeah.
All right, lock it.
Reframe that. Cut that clip out.
But y'all, we finna go get some
You and your what?
lock it.
You got that good.
No, I didn't. Yeah, y'all, we finna get some chop. So, but what are you about to
Her
get?
boyfriend getting some crap.
What are you about to get? Wait, it's copyright in here. Let's go.
My little shit in there.
Your hands were occupied. But y'all, we got our smoothies. And it's super good. But y'all, now we're finna go to Burlington real quick because I gotta return or exchange his granny gift that I got. So yeah, y'all, we're finna go to Burlington now. Also, I found a couple of things. My man found this what is this, a steering wheel cover, y'all, because I threw my last one out. And then he found this, well, I found this candle.
Dude, what you think about these? These are kind of ugly though, right?
Yeah.
I think so. Let's see.
Alright, babe, so y'all, I gotta make this haul real quick. Okay, y'all, so this is what my man got me. He got me this pink steering wheel, y'all. It's so cute. I can't wait to clean my car and then put it on here, y'all. And then y'all just got me this candle. It smells so good. It's so big too, y'all. It was like $13. And it smells like, if you ever have Velvet Sugar from Bath and Body Works, it literally smells just like that. And then he got me this Auntie Jackie leave-in conditioner, y'all, for my hair. And then y'all, this Robane perfume brand, they had a little oil perfume in here, y'all.
What's Raban?
Raban. Yeah. And then y'all, it smells so good. It smells like jasmine and orchid, and then like a hint of like musk and like vanilla. What's up, right, babe? So y'all, new day, new vlog. Well, I mean, it's the same vlog, just new day. But y'all, it's a day after you guys last saw me when I was doing my little haul. And I'm just at home, y'all. It's Thursday. It's like 2 p.m. or something like that. Yeah, y'all, it's my off day. I'm still obviously on winter break. And I'm just chilling right now. But y'all, got a package in, and I already know what it is. It's my bundles that I ordered. And it's obviously from my vendor, my brand. So I'm about to unbox it with y'all, and I'm putting on some of the oil stuff that I got yesterday, which smells so good. Alright, y'all, so I ordered 3 of my premium bundles, which are double drawn, and then I ordered one 12A bundle. Double drawn. Y'all, this is my second time ordering from my vendor. The hair still is good, but the quality does feel a little different. Or maybe I'm tripping. I mean, no, it still feels good. I'm gonna grab my other bundle and see how it feels. But y'all, this hair is gorgeous, so like, you genuinely can't beat it. Let's open up the other ones. This just feels a little different from my last order. But damn, I probably didn't even need an extra bundle because this is already super thick. Literally. Like, this is literally 3 bundles of my premium quality. And look how thick it is. Double drawn. Okay, y'all, let's open up the single drawn now. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is the single drawn. It's a lot thinner, but I just got this for like extra security, just in case the 3 bundles wouldn't be enough. But y'all, this is literally 4 bundles. And it's so thick. Alright, y'all, so I grabbed my other bundle. This is the one that I already had, and this is the one I just ordered. And maybe I'm tripping because the quality is like the same, not gonna lie. But yeah, y'all, these are my bundles. Like I said, this is my premium quality bundles. So yeah, y'all, if y'all are interested in shopping my hair, because obviously it's the quality speaks for itself, y'all. But if y'all are interested in shopping my hair, then go ahead and click that link down below, y'all. Some content for my hair page right now, and yeah, and edit this vlog. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my bundles. All right, babe, so y'all, it's hours later. I'm on my way right now to go get some Mexican food with my boyfriend. Y'all, I'm like irritated as fuck. Like, you know when you just get overstimulated, like you can't find an outfit, your hair is not eating. Like, I think it's this hairstyle that's throwing me off, because I never did this before, and I obviously don't have no lashes on or nothing. So I think it's just this hairstyle, and I don't know, y'all. But yeah, that's the other day. I'm gonna go get some food with my man. Yeah. Alright, babe, so y'all, we are at the restaurant, this Mexican restaurant, and we just got our like it's like the sampler. It's like all this random stuff, y'all. So
Thank you, appreciate it. What is that?
it's really good. This starting is so bad. Oh, let me get the lettuce and stuff on here. Did you try this? Do you like it?
Yeah, I ate that already. It's good though. This is dope.
These are messy.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so our food came. I'm about to show y'all our food. So y'all, I got 2 beef taquitos and 1 chicken, and then rice and beans, y'all. And we got this burrito. And then this was our appetizer. So yeah, y'all, we're just eating right now. I'm about to try my taquito or whatever. I should have brought my tripod.
Ready? Feel better? Oh yeah. It's a long day.
That's pretty good.
Like that. Someday, you like the sauce?
What sauce? Oh, the hot sauce? Yeah, that's alright.
It's nothing special.
I feel like some Louisiana would be good with this.
Yeah, the Louisiana heat.
Yeah.
I was thinking about that.
We got plans for Christmas.
All right, right, babe. So, y'all, this is the end of the vlog. I hope that you all enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, y'all. Make sure you subscribe. And if you're interested in shopping my hair, click the link down below, y'all. But y'all, make sure you stay tuned because I'm starting my maintenance vlog. So if you want to see me get all done up, stay tuned, y'all. And yeah, y'all, I love you all so much.